This presentation speaks to Fumehood terms, or the language of fume hoods, used by lab technicians, contractors, consultants, everybody in the industry. An airfoil bottom, curved or angular horizontal member running the full width of the fume hood between the work surface and the bottom of the sash when closed, and providing a permanent slot approximately 1 inch high to permit a sweeping action of air across the entire width of the work surface while minimizing entry turbulence. Airfoils, side. Curved or angular vertical members at each side of the fume hood entrance, designed to minimize eddies and promote smooth entry of air into the hood. Baffles. Adjustable panels located across the fume hood at the rear of the workspace between the work surface and point of connection to the fume hood exhaust system, and forming the front brace of the rear plenum, designed to enable control of airflow distribution and capture within the hood. Now, terms regularly in use. Bypass, an arrangement to allow air to enter the fume hood other than through the sash opening, designed to ensure a relatively constant exhaust airflow rate regardless of the position of the sash and limit the maximum face velocity. Contaminants. They are dusts, fumes, gases, vapors, aerosols, particulate matter, etc. They may be harmless, noxious, poisonous, toxic, allergenic, odorless, odorous, corrosive, flammable, explosive, radioactive. Face velocity. This is the speed of air entering the fume hood through the sash opening and measured in the plane of the sash. Plane of the sash. The imaginary vertical plane from the midpoint of the sash frame, depth from the bottom of the sash to the point of contact on the airfoil sill. Sash. Transparent operable screen between the fume hood user and the interior of the fume hood, adjustable either vertically or horizontally, or both, and capable of providing protection for the fume hood user. Sash opening. The aperture in front of the fume hood through which all work and manipulations are done. Fully open. The maximum height to which a sash can be opened above the bottom airfoil. It is limited only by the design of the fume hood. Normal operating position. The operating position of the sash above the bottom airfoil at which normal operations and manipulations within the fume hood are performed. It is a single specific height, typically in the range of 12 to 18 inches, depending on the laboratory program requirements, and must be clearly labeled on the fume hood. It is known as sash design position. Surface fitting. Laboratory fitting mounted on or fastened to laboratory fume hood to control supply of the services to the fume hood. Slot. Horizontal opening in or between each baffle panel and designed to regulate airflow distribution and to maintain the desired face velocity distribution across the entire sash opening. Superstructure. That portion of the laboratory fume hood supported by the work surface, the base furniture, or the laboratory floor. Those are most of the common terms used. I'm sure there's others. I simply don't know them. Thank you very much for listening.